Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix GCash app game not working or not opening properly. Whether the game crashes, freezes or won't load, these steps will help you get it running again. For that, first of all, make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection, either a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. If your connection is weak, the GCash game might fail to load. After that, open up your settings. Inside settings, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Inside iPhone storage, you want to go ahead and search for GCash and then tap onto it. Go ahead and tap on upload app, then tap on upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. Once you have done that, tap on reinstall app right over here. Also, after you do that, head back to your home screen, open up your app store. Inside here, simply search for GCash. And once you search for it, go ahead and tap onto it. And inside here, if you see update button instead of open, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Outdated version may cause game crashes, so go ahead and update it. So after you have done that, go ahead and restart your phone to reset background processes that may be interfering with the app. So once you do that, as a last resort, go ahead and simply tap on GCash application, then tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and then tap on delete. Once you have deleted your application, simply go ahead and open up your app store, search for GCash and reinstall GCash from there. Don't worry, your account and balance won't be deleted. Just log back in using your mobile number and OTP. Well, that is simply how you can fix GCash app game not working issue. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.